a closer look at translations. Alright, so we're going to make a tab, label it translations. Alright, go ahead and pause the video, copy that down. And pause the video again, copy that down. Or rewind and pause it if you need to. Alright, so that arrow means map onto. So the first thing we're going to do is plot the points. There are two ways we're going to do this. So you see that's why it has a slash. We're going to graph and then we're going to use the rows. So we're going to graph -1, +2, 2, 3. So that means 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3. That's Y. That one's 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, -1. That's Z. Go ahead and join those lines up. So plot. And then or write the points. So the second way we're going to do it is to write the points out. So we're just going to copy those points out again. So X is -1, 2, Y is 2, 3, Z is 3, -1. Alright, second step, X coordinate, right is addition, left is negative. It's subtraction. So right now we're going left 2, and then for the Y, up is positive and down is negative. So we're going down 3. So 1, 2 left, 1, 2, 3 down. Make sure you start counting after you move. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So count after you move. Or if you want to count while your pen is at the point, you can say 0, 1, 2. Alright, so that whole shape has moved 2 left and 3 down. Alright, the other one, add and subtract from the X and Y coordinates. So from the X we're subtracting 2, from the Y we're subtracting 3. So we're just going to write that down every time. Subtract 2, subtract 3. And then go ahead and do the subtraction. Alright, same team. Same team, more people. So -3. Different teams. Negative wins by 1. Because they fight. Different teams, they cancel out. Different teams, positive wins by 1, and negative, same team, more people, 4. And if you look, those are exactly those points, because those are the exact, two different ways of doing the exact same question. Alright, label pre-image and image. Remember, pre is the before, so that's pre-image, and then image is the after, so that's after the one of the primes. So I just read the question to make sure that I've answered everything. Go ahead and pause the video, copy that down. Alright, so first thing you do is plot and write the points. So we're going to plot -1, 1, -3, 0, -2, -3, which is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 0, -2, 0 is don't move, and then 2 down. This is a listening check. Put a box around the word graph. Put a box around the word graph. For the second way to do it, go ahead and just copy down the coordinates. And I'm just going to label that pre-image so that I don't have to come back into it. Copy down all the coordinates. And then we'll start with the graph one. Right is positive, left is negative, up is positive, down is negative. Okay, then we're going to translate it 4 to the right and up 2. So we're going to take every single point and count 4 to the right and up 2. So let's start counting from L, 1, 2, 3, 4, and up 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And don't forget to put the primes indicating that's your new image. So that's image. And you can see the whole shape has moved to the right and up. Alright, if you're doing it the other way, you're going to, 4 right means what? Add. So you're going to add 4 on all the X's. Up 3 means add. So you're going to add 3 to all the Y's. So listening check. Color in the coordinates for point M. So -2 and -3, color that in. Alright, let's go ahead and do the math. Different teams, they're going to fight. Positive wins by 3. They're going to join more people, same team, so 4. They're going to fight. Positive wins by 1. More people, that's only 3. They're going to fight. Positive wins by 2. They're going to fight. No one wins, so 0. They're going to join more people, that's 4. They're going to fight. Positive wins by 1. Plot your new points. So you've seen that these points right here 3, 4, that's K, that's 1, 3 is L, and so forth. Pause the video and copy that down. I start by plotting the points. So 4, negative 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 4, so 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we've plotted the points. Now we're going to write down the points depending on which way you prefer to do it. So write all those points down. This is a listening check. Go ahead and circle the word rules. Circle the word rules. Alright, and what are we doing? So it says x negative 2, so that means move to the left 2, and then y plus 1, which means up 1. So each point left 2, up 1. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. Right, those are your new coordinates. So that's your image. So green is image, pink is pre-image. Or if you're doing it the other way, you could just add and subtract. So minus 2 to all x's, and then plus 1 to all y's. This is a listening check. Go ahead and underline the coordinates for A. Go ahead and underline the coordinates for A. Don't forget to put prime on the images. All right, so let's go ahead and do the math. Fighting, positives win by 2. Fighting, nobody wins. Fighting, positive wins by 1. More people, 3. Fighting, positive, negative wins by 1. This is more people, same team. More people, same team. More people, same team. More people, same team. And fighting, negatives win by 2. Okay, so if you check those points, you'll see that they're exactly the same. These 1, 3, that one's negative 1, 5, negative 4, 2, and negative 5, negative 2. And that's all there is to translations. Let's practice.